In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use Immersive View in Google Maps. If you've ever wanted to explore a city as if you were flying through it, Google Maps Immersive 3D View is a great way to do that right from your browser. I'll walk you through the essentials so you can get smooth, impressive results without any confusion. Start by opening Google Maps in your web browser. For the best experience, make sure your browser is up to date and that you have a stable internet connection. The 3D experience relies on your device's graphics capability and your network speed, so a modern computer and a decent connection will help everything load quickly and look sharp. Next, search for a city or location that supports Immersive View. Not every place has detailed 3D coverage, so focus on major cities or popular landmarks. Type the city or landmark into the search bar and press enter. If Immersive View is available, you'll be able to move into a three-dimensional perspective that shows buildings, terrain, and structures with realistic depth. If you don't see it, try zooming closer to the city centre or switching to another well-known location. Now look to the bottom left of the map and click on the button labelled View in 3D. Depending on your screen size and layout, this button may appear as a simple 3D option, but it's always at the lower left edge of the map canvas. One click tells maps to switch from a flat overhead map to a tilted three-dimensional scene. Give it a moment to load the 3D render of the area. You'll see buildings extrude, parks and water features gain dimension, and the perspective shift to a more lifelike angle. This loading time can vary based on your connection. A brief pause is normal as high resolution imagery and models stream in. From here, use your mouse or trackpad to explore. Scroll to zoom in and out, taking short, controlled scrolls to focus on specific blocks or landmarks. Click and drag to rotate the view, changing your angle to see around buildings and down streets. A smooth, deliberate drag gives you a cinematic feel. Try rotating slowly while zooming in to reveal details naturally. If movement feels jumpy, wait a second between actions to let the imagery sharpen. Center your pointer on the spot you want to examine, then drag around that point for precise control. That's all you need. Open Maps, pick a supported location, click View in 3D, let it render and navigate by scrolling and dragging. Enjoy exploring cities in a whole new way.